For over 50 years, precision, trust, and expertise have defined one name: Mecanair. Based in Switzerland, Mecanair delivers certified aircraft maintenance services to the international aviation community. Built across 3 generations, Mecanair combines experience, innovation, and a deep-rooted passion for aviation. Today, Mecanair operates across 3 strategic locations in Switzerland. Together, these sites form a complete ecosystem dedicated to aircraft maintenance, engines, components, and continuing airworthiness management. From piston to turbine aircraft, every inspection, repair, and modification is performed in full compliance with the highest aviation standards. From overhaul to testing, each engine is carefully analyzed, controlled, and validated on dedicated test benches. Including non-destructive testing, every step ensures performance, reliability, and safety. Mecanair also provides certified services for accessories, magnetos, and hydraulic hoses. Through its CAMO organization, the company offers complete continuing airworthiness management. One partner, one standard, a fully integrated solution. Certified by major aviation authorities, including EASA and FAA, Mecanair operates according to the most demanding international regulations. These certifications reflect a constant commitment to quality, safety, and accountability. Behind every aircraft stands a dedicated team. More than 35 skilled professionals, driven by expertise, responsibility, and passion. Because in aviation, trust is built by people. Mecanair, 50 years of expertise, shaping the future of aircraft maintenance.